In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept a Microsoft Teams meeting invite. We're going to walk through the fastest method that Microsoft support recommends, and by the end, you'll know exactly what to do whenever a Teams invite lands in your inbox. First, start by opening your email inbox, the one where you normally receive work or school messages. Look for the email that contains your Microsoft Teams meeting invitation. It will usually mention Microsoft Teams in the subject line and show details like the meeting title, date, and time. Go ahead and click that email to open it fully so you can see all the contents. Once the invitation email is open, look for the options or menu associated with that email. Depending on your email client, you should see a three-dot icon, sometimes called More Options or simply More. This icon is usually located near the top of the message or next to the calendar-related buttons. Click on that three-dot icon to open additional actions for the invitation. In that menu, you'll find an option that says Add to Calendar. This is the key step. Click Add to Calendar. What this does is tell your email and calendar system to take all the meeting information from the Teams invite and place it directly into your Outlook calendar, so you don't have to manually type anything in. In some setups, after you click Add to Calendar once, you may see a confirmation prompt or a small window pop up asking you to confirm that you want to add this event. If that happens, simply click Add to Calendar again to approve it. This extra click just confirms your choice and prevents accidental changes. Once you've done that, the event will automatically be added to your Outlook calendar. The meeting will appear on the correct date and time, with the Teams join link and any other details the organizer included. From this point on, Outlook and Teams will treat you as having accepted the meeting, and you'll be able to join it directly from your calendar when it's time. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to open your Outlook calendar afterward and double-check that the meeting appears at the expected time, especially if you work across different time zones. That way, you can be confident you're all set and won't miss your Microsoft Teams meeting.